What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of turning off sleep mode on Instagram. Sleep mode can cause the app to disable after a certain period, which may interrupt your usage. By following the steps, you can ensure that Instagram remains active whenever you want to use it. Launch the Instagram application on your mobile device, and the Instagram app, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down through the menu and tap on Notifications. In the Notifications tab, look for the option labeled Quiet Mode and tap on it. In the Quiet Mode tab, tap the toggle switch to turn off sleep mode. If you still receive the notifications but there's no sound notification on your Instagram, it's not from Instagram app itself, it's from your phone, where you have to turn off your Do Not Disturb so that if there's a notification, you can hear it not just from Instagram, but from Facebook or other apps too. And there you have now successfully turned off sleep mode on Instagram. This allows you to use the app without interruptions. If you have further issues or any questions, feel free to comment down below. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.